STEMbotix is an Edtech startup providing solutions to students and institutions in the field of STEM education, brain development, robotics, coding, AR/VR, computer vision, aviation, drones, and artificial intelligence with a view to transform the education industry and equip students with 21st century skills and make them future ready. We are widely spread all across Gujarat and headquartered at Gandhinagar. We are passionate about transforming traditional learning into a dynamic and interactive experience through the power of technology. Our mission is to empower learners of all ages with 21st century skills with cutting edge platform and immersive content. Learning coding can be an exciting journey, but students often encounter several challenges in the initial stages like difficulty to understand coding concepts, lack of vernacular coding due to lack of abstract thinking skills, difficulty in writing code due to coding syntax. At STEMbotix, we are on to focus our nurturing the potential of students who undoubtedly represent tomorrow's leaders. We offers a user-friendly Blogsy as a vernacular block coding platform with a drag and drop interface that introduces fundamental coding ideas like loops and condition. With this vernacular Blogsy platform, we aim to make coding not only understandable but also engaging for children, young learners, and people with no prior coding experience. It's a vernacular coding environment that encourages innovation, experimentation, and getting a better grasp on how software is supposed to function in the vernacular coding language and to encourage students to define solution of the regional problems. This vernacular Blogsy platform teaches complex concepts easily using block-based coding to design animations, game development, microcontroller, and other peripheral interfacing, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. This provides students with greater autonomy and prepares them for future industry challenges. Blogsy plans to expand its educational value over next 12 months by adding AI, ML, data science, AR/VR related concepts blogs. Our goal is to expand language support to 10 languages, making programming accessible to a varied global audience. Blogsy's goals are to revolutionize education and empower future technological leaders. In future, AR/VR concepts will be get added in the Blogsy, where Blogsy platform provides a drag and drop coding visual interface to define behavior of objects in their AR/VR scenes. User can use blocks to develop games and interactive stories in AR/VR environment. Finally, STEMbotix is a symbol of innovation, offering students a platform to unleash their potential and design a better future. We hope to inspire and empower the next generation of critical thinkers and problem solvers through our extensive educational programs and innovative teaching approaches. Thank you.